How can I select an element by name with jQuery? I have a table column I'm trying to expand and hide. jQuery seems to hide the TD elements when I select it by class but not by element name. For example, selecting by class works, but selecting by element name does not work. Note the HTML below. The second column has the same name for all rows. How could I create this collection using the name attribute? You can use the jQuery attribute selector. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.